We are going to perform experiment number 3. The objective of this experiment is to determine the normality of alkali solution by thermometric titration. Okay. Come to the theory. A neutralization reaction of acid base is an exothermic reaction. It will always involve some heat. A beaker containing unknown concentration of NaOH solution, when it is neutralized by a known concentration of acid, it will always increase the temperature of the reaction mixture, which can be measured by using a thermometer. A data plot is volume of acid solution added with the temperature of the mixture. So what we have to done, we have to do a successive volume of acid can be added to the known volume of NaOH solution and note down the respective temperature. So here we can see that increasing volume of acid solution into the NaOH solution increases the temperature of the mixture. Up to this point, this is the maxima, and this is actually defines the equivalence point. It means the volume of acid solution, this amount of volume of acid solution completely neutralized the known volume of NaOH solution. Okay. So the concentration of NaOH, which is here we shown as X, we can calculate by this simple equation N1V1 equals to N2V2. Here N1 means normality of acid, which is 1 normal. V1 is the volume of acid, can be find out from this graph. N2 is the normality of base, which have to find out, and V. Ready. Now let's start the experiment. This is the thermometric flask in which we conduct the experiment. First, we have to take unknown concentration of NaOH solution, and this is a known concentration of HCl solution. We have to take first 100 ml of NaOH solution. I have already taken. So this put into the thermometric flask. Now lid off and note down the initial temperature, which is around 21.8. See, this is a table of 3 column basically, which is serial number, volume of acid added in ml, temperature of the mixture. So what we have done, we take 100 ml of NaOH solution and note down the initial temperature, which is when we that means the volume of acid added is 0, which is initial temperatures, which is in our case is 21.8. Okay. Now we are going to add 5 ml of known concentration of HCl solution by the help of a 5 ml pipette. Pipette out 5 ml of HCl solution like this and add into the NaOH solution. Okay, I'll put the lid off and shake it very well like this. And note down the temperature, which is 22.3, which is 22.3. See, this process we have to repeat until the addition of 150 ml of acid into NaOH solution. So we are not showing the whole experiment, and this data have to plot like this. This is the graph between the volume of acid added with the versus temperature of the mixture. See, temperature of the mixture increases with increasing volume of acid added. At a point we get the maxima, which defines the equivalence point, and here 107.5 ml of acid completely neutralized the 100 ml of NaOH solution. So come to the calculation part. Normality of acid N1 equals to 1 normal, normality of alkali N2 equals to X normal, volume of acid V1, which is found from the graph, and the value is 107.5 ml. Volume of alkali V2 is 100 ml, which we have already taken initially, and from N1 V1 equals to N2 V2 equation we find out the concentration of or normality of the alkali, which is X, and here the value we have found that 1.075 normal, which is almost accurate. So this is the result. The normality of the given alkali solution is 1.075 normal. Okay, thank you.